Hey baby. Hey. 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 Look at me. I'm a hijada. I don't have anything swinging down there. You see me with red lipstick? The shade that makes my thin lips stand out. You find them kissable? Some people do. People with a hard-on for my sexuality. People with something swinging down there. You see, if you do not have the right organs for sex and a brain that is functioning, your sexuality needs to be channeled someplace. But like a river blocked and straining at the embankments, it bursts out randomly. Hey, look at me. I am a hijada. I don't have anything swinging down there. My masculine legs aggressively shaved and smooth. My hair decorated in complex styles. My ungainly figure forced to catwalk. And my hips forced to sway. I cannot clap my hands in delight, so I smack them in animal aggression. Ah! You see, sex erupts out of me. You see the wild craze in my depraved protruding eyes. I have so much powerful sex pouring out of me uncontrollably that it is natural to be afraid in front of me. To go flaccid. But if you are of the right inclination, if you know what I mean, you can be attracted to me. Anyone can hump my rump. The builder, the truck driver, that chai wala boy who's my lover, wo tie wala sahib. I have kuttas everywhere. पहले तो दर्द होता था, कांड की तो चन्नी बना दी. अब उसमें ही मजा आता है. बीमारी होती होगी, लेकिन बेवड़े कॉन्डम कब यूज करते हैं? Look at me. I am a hijada. I don't have anything swinging down there. The blouses that I wear, I'm flat, but I can bare my waist and show my back as well as any of them. I do not have a cunt or nice legs, but I can show flab like the sexiest woman. I may have a strong jaw and a hoarse voice. People do not come on to me, but I come on to them. I can be strong like a man and sensitive like a woman. I am neither. What defines me is the lack of a gender. आया कब बहन चोद? आज क्यों आया मेरे पास? आप माँ बहन नहीं मरवाने के लिए? अरे पैसा नहीं है तेरी माँ की चुत बोसड़ी के. पैसा नहीं है, दारू तो पिला मादर चोद. फोकट का आता है साला. मुंह में लू. तेरा बाप का भी लेती थी, वो मर गया. तू आया मुंह की जमानत लेने चूती. Look at me. I'm a hijada. I don't have anything swinging down there. There is no place for me to vent my sexual desires. My penis is cut off. So when I come, it is a slimy, transparent liquid. It's not even white semen. And even when I do get action, I can't get off because I cannot use dildos or fingers. I have no poles or holes. The laws of physics are confused. Evolution and speciation stops. Evolution has left me to the side. Dead ends. Useful as a drone or a worker. But they cannot write out the sexuality and the search for an identity out of my genes. That stays with the red lipstick. That stays with the strong fingers painted a delicate, bright audience. That stays with that smack. My eyes wide and popping. ₹10 देना भाई, नहीं तो लोग क्या कोप से नहीं. तू तड़प के मारेगा बेटी चौथा. हमारी जबान खा लिया बहन. अरे 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 साड़ी तो ऊपर कर लेने दे और बाल काटना. लड़के गुदगुदी होती है. Look at me. Look. Look at me. I'm a hijra. I don't have anything swinging down there. This is how I speak. I can speak normally, but normalcy has been driven out of me. I am a hijra. I am impotent and unable to channel sex into anything. I finally channelize sex into everything. I cannot get off on anything. I channelize sex into everything, because to be a heterosexual or a homosexual or a pansexual or an antisexual, you need to be part of a certain gender. You need to be turned on by a certain thing. I, whose sexuality and everything that I wear, in all I say, in all my actions, for me, sex is omnipresent. Unlike those kids or whores, for them sex is there till climax. मार मार साले, मार 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 मार. मजा आता है ना, मुझे भी आता है. मैं इसीलिए पैदा हुई थी, तुम जैसे मुर्दों की लेने के लिए. मार मार. Look at me. I'm a hijra. I'm an omnisexual. I shall be frustrated, fucked, humped, thrust away from getting off till death releases me from bondage and gives me my first legitimate orgasm.